Hi guys, Terry here. How are you doing today? It is a sunny, warm day in Columbus, Ohio. I swear I am solar powered because when the sun's out, I feel like doing stuff. When it's gray and cloudy, I just want to just sit and watch YouTube videos. So it is just so pretty out. The birds are chirping. They're making their nest. It's just beautiful out. So I got a couple things. Well, I got something in the mail. Oh, there's a blue jay. I don't know if we can see it. Right in the middle there's a blue jay. So, but I got something in the mail and I wanted to show you it, and then I got something at Joann's the other day. So let me show you. Okay, let me show you this first. This is called a desktop organizer by Art Bin. So this made me want to put my Cricut tools in. So it's a good size. Let's see if it has the dimensions on it here. It was only $5 something. I was surprised. I mean, when can you buy something for $5 anymore? But it looked really handy. So let's see, it is it's 9.5 inches wide, and I just think it's going to hold so much. I mean, it can hold paintbrushes, blender pens. It's just going to be able to hold. Yeah, those won't fit. The bottoms are too big. But just most of your tools, you can lay stuff down in here. So I thought it would be excellent for the Cricut tools. I kind of have those tucked away, and this way they could be sitting right beside my Cricut machine. So really like that. So if I can find it on the Joann's website or even on Amazon, I'll have links on my blog post for that. So very handy. I thought that was a nice, it looks like it's not going to take up, you know, too much space. So it's about 6 inches deep and 9.5 inches wide. So love that. We love all our organization tools, right? So here is the Sewers Club, and this was actually from last month, and I just have not made a video here lately. So now that the sun's out, I feel re-energized. That's terrible. I shouldn't go by the weather, but my goodness. So there's another Sewers Club on the way. So okay, so this says it's for March, so the one that must be coming is the April one. So you know, I've said before, I have a whole slew of these. I'm taking a sewing class to learn about my new sewing machine, so that is inspiring me to make stuff. So I really need to get these boxes out and every week make something, because these things, they're very simple projects. So this one's called a reversible grocery bag, and there's the thing. Looks like it folds up. They have on their website instructions on how to do the steps here, but they also include all the measurements and all the steps, and they give you everything you need to make the item. So I'm covering up the password here, but yeah, they've got just wonderful projects monthly. It's a company out of Canada. So there's the first fabric. Look how pretty that is. Love that color. It's like a cross, it's like a cranberry brown. Looks like it's like a batik because it's marbled in color. Oh, and then they gave you some big snaps for the fasteners. Nice. And then this fabric. So pretty. And then this looks like the big piece. So love that. So there's the pieces together. Look at those colors. Isn't that fabulous? That's just so pretty. So love that. Oh, and then some thread too that matches the colors in it. So very pretty. So what I need to do is get my button gear and make it. So looks like it's going to be such a neat neat bag for carrying stuff. So, love that. Okay, so I will, you know, make some stuff with this and then share that next time. So, I ordered some fabric from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I don't know if you follow their YouTube, but they had a really neat pattern. And so I got the pattern and some fabric that they had. They have a daily deal, which is really dangerous. So they had something that was regularly $40 some for, I think, more than half price. So I bought that fabric to make something with. I don't know what, but my point today is I've got to get back at making stuff with my sewing machine. So I hope you have a fabulous day. I hope it's sunny where you are, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.